All right, let's take a quick look at the markets going into Friday. Kind of tell you something key that happened today. Okay, we had a bearish engulfing bar that came in the last time we gave you guys a video. Again, we are up near the top of the macro supply line. If we get a break on this macro supply line, we could get a massive push higher, but it looks like it's not able to get any consistent closes above a close outside the macro channel. Just uh, quick lesson on one thing that we did take. We actually did take these DDD outside the macro channel. Like I said, you can get the biggest moves outside of a macro channel. We did actually take DDD for a 500% gain on some options this week. It's the only option play I've made in a while. Almost took some VIX calls. The 13 calls, they were trading 3 cents. They closed up a few 100%. Didn't pull the trigger on those. But we did alert the room that that was a possibility to take. So the key thing that happened today, we have a bearish engulfing bar today. Now, the confirmation that this was a reversal bar right here would have been a close below 175.66. So even though we've cracked this low, and you go back using the protective theory, even though we've cracked this low, this does not mean that the next lows are in play. For this example, on this bearish engulfing bar, we wanted to close below 175.66. Now, we don't have to wait for a close below today's low tomorrow because we never got a close above or below this bearish engulfing bar. So you can expect a down move in the markets tomorrow. This is an official reversal confirmation. How far do we potentially go? Is anybody's guess. I mean, this could be a 5 to 10% correction. High side correction off of the top of this macro supply line going way back, which I don't think we're going to see. But high side correction is 21.68%. And that goes back to your macro supply line to your first touch down at the downgrade of the U.S. debt. So this is the high side correction, 21.68%. Could we get that much? We could potentially get that much. But we do feel pretty strong. I would expect some kind of choppy trading, and I would expect people to start trying to buy these bounces. Key level to get short tomorrow, if you're interested in where you're going to get a fluid push to the downside, 173.50. That's going to be your level that we're going to be watching over the next few days, not only tomorrow, but over the next few days, looking for a push below 173.50 to give us that big move to the downside. So 173.50 will give us a big push to the downside. That's going to be our key level. Again, today we did get confirmation because we got a close below our bearish engulfing bar on the day chart. Again, 175.66, a close below that low. Today we closed at 177.17, so we got that close. TWTR, told you guys yesterday you could watch me trade it. I took a few stabs at this. Had a few losses before finally getting the big winner. We had a price target to 50. The high of the day was 50.09. I actually sold my last shares at 49.19 because we were in down here on the break. But TWTR was a good trade for us. WFM, Whole Food Markets, we said we liked it long above 57.70. We made a little bit money to the long side. It actually traded all the way up to 58.92. We actually got stopped out for a small gain. It was $240 gain to be exact. And then we said we liked it low below 57.48, which you can see right here. As soon as 57.48 fired off, you got a nice solid push to the downside. We made money on to the short side. Other than that, I mean, it wasn't a whole lot out there. I mean, I know that the market moved a lot, but we didn't catch a whole lot of stuff out there. Hopefully tomorrow will be a better day, but we are having a solid week. Hope to see you in the chat room. Join us as always. Thanks for watching the video at picks.makesense.com.